Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the difference between dividend payout ratio and dividend coverage ratio. Number 1. Dividend payout ratio shows the percentage of earnings paid out as dividends, whereas dividend coverage ratio shows the number of times earnings can cover dividend payments. Number 2. Dividend payout ratio is commonly calculated as dividends divided by net income, or DPS divided by EPS, whereas dividend coverage ratio is usually calculated as net income divided by dividends. Number 3. Dividend payout ratio mainly focuses on the distribution level, whereas dividend coverage ratio mainly focuses on the dividend safety margin. Number 4. Dividend payout ratio answers how much profit is being paid out, whereas dividend coverage ratio answers how safely the dividends are covered. Number 5. Dividend payout ratio is usually shown as a percentage, whereas dividend coverage ratio is usually shown as times or multiple. Number 6. A higher dividend payout ratio means more earnings are distributed to shareholders, whereas a higher dividend coverage ratio means a stronger ability to support dividends. Number 7. A lower dividend payout ratio means more earnings are retained in the business, whereas a lower dividend coverage ratio means weaker dividend protection. Number 8. Dividend payout ratio helps investors judge dividend policy and profit retention, whereas dividend coverage ratio helps investors judge dividend sustainability. Number 9. For dividend payout ratio, a lower to moderate level is often considered safer, whereas for dividend coverage ratio, a higher value is generally considered safer. Number 10. A very high dividend payout ratio can signal limited financial flexibility, whereas a coverage ratio near or below 1 times can signal dividend risk. Number 11. Dividend payout ratio has a direct relation to retained earnings because a higher payout leaves less for reinvestment, whereas a higher dividend coverage ratio usually implies more room left after paying dividends. Number 12. If earnings fall and dividends stay unchanged, dividend payout ratio tends to rise, whereas dividend coverage ratio tends to fall. Number 13. Dividend payout ratio is best for understanding income distribution policy, whereas dividend coverage ratio is best for evaluating dividend dependability. Number 14. Dividend payout ratio is commonly interpreted as showing how generous the company's dividend policy is, whereas dividend coverage ratio is commonly interpreted as showing how well protected the dividend is. Number 15. Dividend payout ratio mainly focuses on how much profit is paid out, whereas dividend coverage ratio mainly focuses on how well dividends are supported by earnings. So, the quick takeaway is that dividend payout ratio shows how much of earnings a company pays out, whereas dividend coverage ratio shows how safely those dividends are backed by earnings. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.